here at the Santa Elena Fun Farm. We're gonna do horseback riding. It looks like some buffalo riding, zipline. Okay, it's also a buffalo. Zipline and some animals that you can feed, like rabbits and stuff. There's like a buffalo here, the baby one, and it's called the Philippine carabao. He's trying to take care of her baby.
Oh.
He's trying to protect it from us. It looks like it.
It's like...
Yeah.
It's gonna do like that.
I don't know. It's probably not. It's just trying to protect his kid.
Let's find some more.
Come on, Ty. Where's his ID? Come on. You want to feed this guy? Go here. Feed him. Oh, this guy looks blind. No. Just put him here. This is not. That bunny looks blind. There's more here. Come on. Dee, come here. Here. This guy. This one. Look. Feed him. Feed that guy. Go. Dee, come here. Come here, Dee. There's another black one who wants one, Ty. Give him some. Dee, come here. Dee. Here, maybe they want some. How do you call a rabbit? I don't know. Here, feed these guys. Come on. There, Dee. Don't just drop it like that. You gotta let them bite it first. Come here. This guy, the gray one. That gray one. Just wait for it to come. How do you, he's like a cat. How do you do that? What's that, Doc? Like that? Get that guy, the other one. That one, D. Get that guy. Don't drop it, just let it bite it first. You try to snag it off of you. Hey, don't trick it. Go and feed it. Go, feed it. Give it to him.
I'll try to see some more.
The more in here? The white ones. How about the white ones? Those little baby ones. Look, there's like little baby ones in here. Give them some. Oh my God, those are so cute.
Oh.
This one, the little baby one like you, Ty. Go, feed it. Get some. There's more here. You see, everybody now wants one. Don't snag it off. I want the baby one. I want the baby one. They keep snagging it off. There you go. The baby one got one. Oh my God, they're trying to steal it away. These people don't feed these rabbits, I think, man. Look at that. Look at that, they're trying to fight it off.
Oh, you got two. That's two. I got two ones. I do the others.
You got one more? You got a lot more?
Sorry, wasted.
Oh, you can still eat that. Here, this gray one. Come on, get this gray one. Get that gray one.
Hey.
Oh my God, you can steal the other guy. Okay, just get him. You got more?
I got one.
You got one left? Go there. There's tons of rabbits in there that wants it. The baby ones. I want to feed the baby ones. That guy. Give him some.
Well, that's enough for my lunch.
Come on, Ty. No, don't pick up stuff. D, you gotta pick up your trash. It's not good. You gotta put it in the trash can. D, what you wanna do?
We're gonna continue exploring and look for more animals.
Okay, come on.
Hi, come on. What are you doing?
You think you can do it? You think you can do it?
Tell me, Cap.
Yeah, but it says there children 12 and under must be accompanied by an adult. You gotta be careful, okay? I'm here to catch you. You hold the sides, you hold the rope. There you go. Step one step, go one step, and then the other. You can't do it? It's okay, don't force yourself, you can't. Nets, ropes.
Wow, there's sand in here.
Yeah.
Let's try to make a snow castle.
No, you can't make a sand castle with this type of sand. You gotta be a little wet. Go and do the seesaw with Ty. Not there, D. Here. She's be here. Here. And Ty, right the other one. Right here. Here. This side. Up here.
Seesaw.
Okay.
Seesaw.
So you gotta push up, D. So Ty gets down. Because you're too heavy. You guys want to go to the bigger seesaw? Let's go.
Alright, let's try.
Let's go, Ty. Let Ty ride first. Get down. Get down. Get down, D. Let Ty ride first. Here. Ty, ride this here. Right. Ty, come on here. Let Ty ride it first. Come on, Ty. Go. Be careful, you gotta hold on to it. Now go. It's your turn. Pull it down. Ride it. There you go. Okay, you gotta punch up. You gotta kick up, D. Up. D. Let him go down. Let him go down. He don't want it no more.
This is me.
Go, Ty. Go. Yeah. You can go there. You have to be careful, D. You want to give me your bag? You want to give me your bag? Give me your bag.
Here you go.
Give me your bag. Come on. You don't want to do this, Ty? No? What you want to do? What? You want what? 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 What?
Animals, everything.
Which animals do you want?
Animals.
Yeah, which one?
Everything.
Oh, there got no elephants in here, man.
Let's get the fish.
There's no, we can't even see the fish from the water. It's murky. You can't even see the fish, dude. The water's murky.
Go down.
Yeah, they got no octopuses in here, man. They don't got no whale. Whales are big. Looks like huge. It's not gonna fit in the waters in here, and it has to be in the ocean. Come on.
Where's that 2 words for octopus and whale and fish?
D.
Octopus. Oh, there it is. Wow. In the butterfly park, I saw some small turtles in the butterfly park. Oh, there! Look! There's no big ones there. I only saw. Oh, did you see that? That's good. That's good too. But I want to.
The boat.
Oh! Duh.
Or not. Deacon, look at me.
We're riding on a boat and it's like so much fun. Wow.
You're gonna touch the butt.
Oh. Crocodile. Is it a crocodile?
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe a small one.
Uh-oh.
You like this boat ride?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
You wanna touch the water?
No.
You don't wanna touch the water?
No.
You think there's a crocodile in the water? Nope.
I think so.
Those are lilies. Lily pad.
Where's the frog?
You gotta wait for rainy season, I think. It's like ducks and stuff. And look at that. Oh my God, make another turn. And then we're gonna park the boat. What? This smells bad. It smells like rabbit poop. It smells like rabbit poop. You like rabbit poop?
No. But they're still there.
They're still there? Huh?
Yes. But there's a crocodile and frog.
No, there are no crocs in here. You can touch the water if you want. Nobody's gonna eat you.
Crocodile.
No, I was just kidding. There are no crocs in here. It's a very small pond. It's a man-made pond, so there's not gonna be anything dangerous in here. You can touch it if you want to. You want to touch the water?
No.
Why? Why do you want to touch the water?
Because he thinks there's a frog.
You think there's a croc? No, there's no water. There's no croc in the water, man.
Wait, I see something.
What? What you got? That's just a leaf.
Take a selfie. Oh my God, there's insects here.
There might be fish in it. I don't know.
Who's that?
What?
But there's the shark.
There's no shark in here. Those are in the sea and the ocean.
There's an octopus.
There's no octopus in here too. Those live in salt water.
There's water.
Yep. Did you have fun in the boat ride? Yeah, okay. So we're riding this buffalo. And it looks like Ty's gonna have fun with it too. He likes riding buffaloes and horses.
Oh my God.
You like this, D?
Yeah.
Come here.
I
look.
never rode it before.
You've never ridden it before? No, I think we did. We did the last time.
I think I don't remember.
You don't remember it? I think we did it though. That's what I don't like about it though. They gotta get the
Whoa.
buffalo.
That's a dog. Oh, buffalo's butt.
Buffalo?
Oh, that's right. That's chasing us.
Is it?
Yeah. It's following us. Why is it following us?
Oh, Dee's gonna try the zip line now. You wanna try the zip line? Yes?
Yeah.
You're a little afraid? Okay, but you're gonna try it anyways, right? Good job, boy. Give me your bag. Give me your bag. And I'm gonna take a video of you going down, okay? You like to do that? Yeah, it's fun. Remember, you were scared of the horse, and then when you were riding the horse, you were having fun, right? It was fun, right? With the horse was fun, right? Right? Okay, this is even better. It's better than the horse, okay? Okay? Okay. Are you gonna try it too, Ty? Yes? You wanna try it?
No.
Yeah.
You are gonna try it after your brother, okay? You're gonna try it after your brother, okay? Okay, we're gonna look at it, okay? Let go. Let go like Iron Man. Both hands. Both hands. Hey yo, we riding a horse right now. And Ty is so happy. He thinks it's funny. There's our horse. Look at that. Look at that horse. You see that horse, Ty? Is it fun? You like this? You like the horse ride? Are you liking the horse ride, Ty? Huh? You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa.
Say hi.
Look. That.
Is it fun?
It's times animals.
Say what?
It's a time animals.
See, you can look at the background instead and look at the playground with the tires and stuff, colorful tires. See those trees over there? You see it? I was Steve's turn to ride the horse. This is Sam's exact place that we ride.
In the hotel, right?
That's the hotel.
Remember that hotel?
Oh yeah, we had a horse ride there too. That was a long time ago though.
And Ty was still born.
What?
I was still born. Oh my god. It's too fast. Too fast at all.
It's not fast at all.
It's like in the mall.
I mean the mall. There's no horse in the mall. Just hold on to the thing. I don't know know what that's called.
It's a holder.
It's not a holder. So it looks like Ty's riding his own horse. D, look at Ty. He's riding his own horse right there.
Yeah.
Hi, Ty. You like that? You like that? Yeah? You have fun? You having fun? You like that horse ride. But he's afraid of the zip line though.
I was not afraid of this.
Yeah, because you're a big boy. Alright, hey, don't step on a puddle of water. What was your favorite part?
Ziplining.
The zip lining. How about you, Ty? What was your favorite part?
Turtle.
Oh, the turtle was your favorite part? Okay, let's go. We just get a drink. Let's get in the car. We got water in there. Come on.